Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a compact smart TV that delivers sharp picture quality, immersive sound and modern smart features without taking up too much space, today's video is for you. We are going to be checking out this Samsung 32-inch Full HD 56,000 Smart TV 2025 model, and if you would like to see the latest price and the full details after watching the video, you will find the product link of it in the description box below. So first of all, let's talk about the picture quality. So this particular TV features 32-inch Full HD 1080p display, which means that clear visuals, sharp texts and vibrant colors. For a screen of this size, Full HD looks crisp and detailed. That makes it perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, dorms, rooms and smaller living rooms. It also supports the HDR, which enhances the contrast and improves the brightness level in the supported content. So if we talk about the sound, so Samsung includes the object tracking sound Lite, which creates the audio that follows the action on the screen. Instead of the sound feeling flat or centered, it feels more dynamic and immersive. Moving to the smart features, so this TV runs on the One UI Tizen, giving you a clean and easy to use interface. Security is another strong point. With the Samsung Knox security, your smart TV is protected with the unauthorized access, adding an extra layer of peace of mind when you are using the apps and connecting the devices. It also has the voice control. So voice control supports also makes everyday use more convenient, allowing you to control the functions without always reaching for the remote. Because of its 32-inch compact design, the TV fits comfortably into the smaller spaces while still delivering a solid entertainment experience. Overall, the Samsung 32-inch 56,000 Smart TV offers the sharp Full HD visuals, enhanced HDR contrast, and immersive audio and the reliable smart features in a space-friendly size. So if you want to check this out, you can just use the link that is given in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.